Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to use auto clicker on iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings application. Here we go. Now scroll all the way down to the option of accessibility. Open it. Now go to the option of switch control. Open it. Go to the option switches. Tap on this option add new switch. From here, select the option of screen. Tap on full screen. Select this very first option, select item. After you land to this page, go back. Tap on this option of recipes. Tap on create new recipe. Now here you have to give name to your auto clicker. Here I'm gonna give it as auto and then tap on this option of assign a switch. Tap on full screen. Select the option custom gesture. Now from here you have to create your auto clicker. You just have to tap on this screen in this way and your auto click is ready. After you are done, you can tap on this option of save. Now go back, tap on this option of launch recipe and set it to the auto click that you have just created. Now you can go back. After you land to this page, scroll down and select this option of accessibility shortcut, open it. Now here, make sure you have enabled this option of switch control. And after you do that, you can close this app. Now you are good to go. You can open the app in which you want to apply this auto click effect. Here I will be opening notes for now. Now to enable auto click, all you have to do is triple click on your power button. Select the option of switch control. Tap on your screen to apply the auto click. And here you go. So this is how you can use auto clicker on your iPhone. This was it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.